You got a snowblower that's surging, you've tried everything and you can't get it to quit. Try this out. This scenario is usually caused by a lean condition inside this carburetor. Got a little hack we're gonna try now. Let's see if this takes care of it. All right, I got the snowblower flipped on its front here. Hose clamped off for the fuel. I just unscrewed the bowl. It's a bowl screw, but also the jet on this. We're gonna pull it out. We're gonna clean this jet out a little bit more and see if that takes care of our problem. So on this jet, there are 2 holes on the side, which are directly across. You can see light through it. And then there's a tiny one inside of there. First thing we're gonna do is make sure that it is absolutely clean, the smaller jet. If there's any kind of restrictions inside of there, that will cause the surging issue. Usually linked to running lean. Once I've done that, something I like to do is I have these, they're jewelry drill bits. I like to take these, go find one that fits, and then try to go up a size if I have them, and just lightly enlarge that hole, which will allow it to run a touch richer, sometimes taking care of the problem. Now, you don't want to go too much because that can screw up the carburetor. And ideally, in a perfect world, we would just clean this and it would be good to go. All right, this one feels like it's it. Again, we're going to be real gentle. These bits are incredibly easy to break. If you break it off on the inside of this, it's game over. You got to get a new carburetor. I'm not opposed to getting a new carburetor. A lot of people suggest we get new carburetors for everybody. I typically like to see what the issue is before I just throw money and parts at things. All right, looking pretty good. Also, for the experts out there, you'll know that there's also a small hole. There's a small hole right here. You can see, you need to make sure that one's clear as well. I've already tried cleaning this hole, so I know that that wasn't the issue, but we're just gonna double check while we're here. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's go install it back on the snowblower, see what she does. All right, fingers crossed. Let's see what she does. Throttle on. Yeah, y'all, that thing is running fantastic now. Just put it under full load outside, doing everything it should be. So there it is, quick little hack. If you guys have already tried what you thought was everything else, go give that a shot and get your stuff up running right. See you in the next one.